So I'm back here with my Rheem hot water heater. So my one big concern with this was that it would cool the basement down too much because of basically the air conditioner attached to the top of this thing. It's a heat pump, right? So it sucks all the air, the hot air out of the air, and dumps that hot air into the tank, and then the exhaust is all the cold air, right? So this feels like an air conditioner right now, honestly. It's running. And the other day I did a video and my ambient temperature was sitting around 59 degrees. Now, a few days later, the whole basement's dropped down to 57 degrees. So before I got the water heater, my ambient temperature down here was about 61. You can actually see it right there. Well, actually it was 63, I'm sorry. It was 63. Then it dropped down to 61 a couple days after I got the unit. I installed the unit. Now it's sitting around 57, so that's a lot. I mean, that's like 6 degrees. And this is a 1,000 square foot basement, so it's sucking the air out of this whole basement. I'm in the middle of finishing it, so it's not like it's in this little tiny room. So it's basically cooled down a 1,000 square foot basement from 63 degrees to 57 degrees. Now it's gonna be great in the summer, but in the winter, this isn't really what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for my basement to be 57 degrees. I'm in Pennsylvania, so this is where I'm at. I'm thinking about ducting this thing outside in the winter, but this is kind of where I'm at now. So I'll keep you updated, see where I go from here. Not sure.